Hi guys, good morning. How are you everyone? God bless everyone. Now I'm going to Cara garage. I will make the puncture to for my car well. And in Tagalog, I will go the car vulcanizing. I want to make my tire because it's the less of air. Okay guys, why not go? I want to go. Pupunta ako sa vulcanizing. I will go in vulcanizing. Kasi patitingnan ko yung gulong. Baka may butas. Kasi laging flat. Always flat. Init guys. It's too hot here in Middle East. It's too hot. Too much dust. Maalikabok. Kabuk guys. And then I will go the petrol. I want to put petrol in my car. Magkakarga din ako ng gasolina kasi konti na lang ang gasolina ko. Suot akong abaya kasi maalikabok dito. Guys, if you are new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys if you have subscribed my channel. Thank you very much. Now I'm here. Lagi na lang flat.
Ilan taon na ba yung gulong mo, madam? Ito, nakita sa mga delivery team, basta malaki nga nga ito. Truck na ito. Hindi lang sa one side, the whole area. Kaya kumunta na hindi ka na problema, inipin pa naman. Ito, kita.
Dumi-dumi nga nito oh.
Kaya tinanong kita muna kung ilang taon na, kung mag 3 years na.
Meron akong extra dyan eh.
Ito, apat na kailangan mo, hindi lang.
Need to change the tire.
Ano, kung gusto mo for the time being, rotation na lang. Ito, lalagay sa harap. Ito, lalagay sa likod para more safety. This is 5 dinar lang naman yun.
Pag
ito,
pinalit.
lalagay namin dito sa harap, ito sa likod. This is 5 dinar lang. Para lang ma-expand yung gulong ng ma-expand lang ng life ng gulong.
Ayusin nila yung gulong ko. Ayan o. Silang mag-aayos ng gulong. Ay, booking mo. Ayusin nila yung gulong. Nandito ako sa pasok nila doon oh. Ayan, sa loob. Nandito ako sa ayan oh, battery.
Magpapalit pa ng gulong, mga ilang buwan pa.
Oh!
Ilang buwan pa anak.
Ayan guys, oh.
Buwan ba?
I'm looking my car.
Just the right side. Ah, okay. That's what we do.
Extra. Yan, may nakakulay yung sasakyan. You said this one change to front and you make vulcanizing yani like this.
You need to.
Maybe have hole,
Yeah. I will check.
but this one must be you put here.
After I'll check.
Yeah, you can check this.
They're leaking, no?
Ah, only pin.
Yes?
Yeah.
You know this one, bulb?
This one?
Yeah.
Ah,
Very old, no? This is the one coming leak.
bulb. Bulb daw, bulb. Too much dirty my car because I park outside. This another one extra. Empty This tire. MK shop. MK shop. RKM shop. Ito. RKM shop. RKM shop. Car garage. Ano siya? Ano lang. Change the front. See. If the chains in the front, no problem.
Yeah, no problem.
It's okay, no?
Yeah, now it's okay, no? Only bulb problem.
Bulb only.
Yeah, I can.
So you put this one, extra.
What?
This one, how?
Yeah, I will check there. Okay?
Okay.
After I will check there and put there.
Okay.
No need change. This spare only.
Because that is extra. No hawa, no?
This one.
Be release hot.
No, I'm still not check.
Okay.
Greg, tapa mo na. Ha? Tapa mo na. Yung ano yan. Only bulb, no? But you make rotation, no?
Yeah.
Bago lang takbo ng ano, tatabak ko na malakas ha.
Mahina lang ako magpatakbo.
Hindi, magpapara 100, okay lang naman yan.
Bawal naman ang 100. Mahuhuli tayo niyan. Makakamerahan tayo. 50 din yun. 50 BD din yun. Overrun. Finish. They are changed only.
Zero. Okay.
This one okay now, no? You changed
Yeah.
already, no?
Yeah, I changed the bulb, no? New one.
New?
Yeah, I put the new, no?
Okay. How much that one?
This one same price.
Same.
Puncture and same. Okay?
Puncher?
You make puncture. This one also 3 BD.
This one also 3 BD?
This one also 3 BD.
Why?
Huh?
You are not making something only bulb, no? You change?
Yeah, stop and this my manager, no?
Yeah, I will talk to him.
Okay. Then okay, no?
Only the bulb change. And then they make rotate the tire. In the front, they are putting in the backside. In the backside, they putting in the front.
Yes, same.
Power steering, okay?
Power steering.
But this one,
This one transmission.
transmission,
This one-
Maki?
Same, no?
This one nothing, less.
Which one? The engine.
Yeah, engine.
The problem is the steering. Check for the steering only. Huh?
No, this, she said, sabi niya yung sa steering, okay naman.
What's the problem, bro?
It's only little bit. No?
So we need to change this one?
No, just
Put more.
For steering, okay?
Check ko na lang.
steering oil okay.
Hmm.
Kanina pa hindi naka-start yan, ano? Kanina pa pumpatay yung makina.
Oo.
Only engine oil. This one movement down, no? Only this one.
Kaya dagat to dagdagan mo ng konti.
Only?
Ito konti.